Good day everyone, welcome to another episode of our YouTube lesson. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the empirical and the molecular formulae problems. So this kind of problem is very difficult. So the question goes like this: determine the empirical formula of an oxide of nitrogen containing 70% of oxygen if the relative molecular mass of oxide is 92. So deduce its molecular formula. So we are not given the percentage of nitrogen in this kind of question. So this is how you are going to approach this kind of question. So we are given the percentage of oxygen to be 70%, but we are not given the percentage of nitrogen. So the percentage of nitrogen is unknown. And don't forget that the nitrogen plus the oxygen, both their percentage must be equal to 100%. So nitrogen is unknown. This one is 70, which is oxygen, and 100. So nitrogen will now be equal to 100 minus 70. So the percentage of nitrogen is going to be 30%. So these are going to approach this kind of question. So you get it. So now the percentage of nitrogen is 30%, and the oxygen also is 70%. So this percentage, when it's come to this kind of question, is still the same thing as mole. So you want to calculate for their mole. So you represent percentage as your mass. So just like mass all over the molar mass. So 30 divided by 14. 14 is the molar mass of the nitrogen, and the 70 divided by 16. So it's going to give us, so 70 divided by 16, 30 divided by 14 first. So it's going to give us 2.142, and 70 divided by 16 is going to give us 4.375. So divide the both sides with the smallest one, 2.142, 2.142. So it's going to give us their ratio is going to be 1 to 2, that is NO2. This is the empirical now. So after that, remember the same way to calculate, you should find their molecular, deduce it, their molecular formula. Sorry. So we are now going to go like this. After that, we are going to go like that. The relative molecular mass to be equal to NO2 in the bracket of N. So relative molecular mass is 92 to be equal to molar mass for nitrogen is 14 and oxygen is 16 multiplied by 2, because we have 2 more of oxygen there. So into N now. So we are going to have 92 to be equal to 16 multiplied by 2, which is going to give you 32. That's 14 plus 32 into N. So make the N as with the formula and find it. So we are going to have 92 into 46 equal to 46 N. So N divided by N will now be equal to 92 upon 46. So it's going to give us 2. So N equal to 2. So if you can recall, we are going to recall that NO2 in bracket of N. So our N now is now equal to 2 now. So we now go like this: NO2 to bracket of 2 like this. So we now multiply this 2 with this and multiply it with this. So the final answer now is going to be N2O4. So this is the molecular formula of this question. So this is how we are going to be approaching this kind of question. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel in order for you to know when we post our next video. Thank you.